everyone! Welcome back to Talk Trend English,
the place where you improve your English step by step.
Today's topic is very interesting
because small mistakes can make your English sound unnatural.
So let's start fixing them. Wait, what if I tell you that many English learners are saying some very common sentences completely wrong?
Yes, and the shocking part is people use them every single day.
But don't worry, today we will fix these mistakes together.
And by the end of this episode, your English will sound much more natural.
First sentence many learners say, I am agree.
Yes, this is very common. But the correct sentence is, I agree. Example sentence, I agree with you.
Because agree is already a verb.
Exactly. Simple English sounds more natural.
I used to say, I am agree all the time.
Really?
Yes, until someone corrected me.
That happens to everyone. Next common mistake. People say, discuss about the problem. But the correct way is, discuss the problem. Example, let's discuss the issue.
Yes, because discuss already includes the meaning of about.
Here is a natural phrase native speakers use. That makes sense. Example sentence, oh, that makes sense now.
Very useful in conversations. Another sentence learners say wrong, return back.
Yes, but the correct phrase is simply return. Example, I will return tomorrow.
Because return already means go back.
Here is another good phrase, to be honest. Example sentence, to be honest, I was nervous at first.
This makes your speaking sound natural.
Remember something very important. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Correct sentence. I agree with you.
Next, let's discuss the plan.
Last one. I will return later.
If you learned something new today,
make sure to subscribe to Talk Trend English
because we post real English conversations
that help you speak confidently.
See you in the next episode.